Messerstein! What are you doing here? You can't be here! Get her out of here, now!
Please, look, Ronnie's still in there somewhere.
Oh, those people. Clarissa, I won't let them die. It's better I end this now. We can separate you! We can stop the explosion! How?
A quantum splicer. It's a fission device designed to bombard your atoms with as much energy as they experienced in a particle accelerator explosion. Should be enough to separate you. Please, Professor, you have nothing left to lose. Ronnie, if you're in there, I love you.
That was from him.
I look forward to meeting you in person, Professor. It's not working!
He's not gonna make it. He's gonna blow.
Get out of there.
Barry, get out of there now!
Sir, we have a thermonuclear detonation approximately 30 miles northeast of Central City.
Deploy the rapid response team, Sergeant. Bring me Firestorm.